Dive into the world of 3D printing with a project to create your own customized fountain pen case. This unique build begins by designing a protective case using CAD software, focusing on contours that match different pen sizes for a perfect fit. During the printing process, challenges like ensuring precision in the clip mechanism are tackled by optimizing layer height for seamless closure. Water-resistant PLA material is chosen to offer durability and a sustainable solution, reducing reliance on leather or plastic alternatives. Through a step-by-step guide, this video empowers DIY enthusiasts to craft a functional and stylish pen accessory, enhancing organization while promoting eco-friendly practices.